I had some people ask how I used Bitmoji in Google Slides, and I couldn't find that video I'm so sorry, so I decided to go ahead and make my own. So when you go into Google Slides, start with a blank slide, and then you want to set your background to be something that, like the wall floor background. And you can choose multiple options here. Let's see, I like this one. Insert. And then once you get from there, you can start adding your thing, adding whatever you want to. Let's see, insert image. And make sure when you're inserting your image, do transparent. That makes things a little bit easier. So transparent table, and I like that one. And you can add a couch. Let's play around with this very brown room here. And then I'm going to add my Bitmoji. And here's how you do this. Make sure that you do a Google extension, Bitmoji for Google extension. And once you get that set up, if you already have Snapchat, you can connect to that, or you can create your own Bitmoji. And then you can start searching for Bitmojis that you want, and you can have them sitting. Let's see. You can have her standing. There we go. And then if you want to put a text box in here so that you can type some stuff in, insert text box, put it in the background, make sure that you choose the color there, and you can add a border, and go from there. And then I would put an order here, I would send that backward. And then you can just kind of play around with it, add different things. Now, to save this as a picture, go to File and click Download, and download PNG image. And that way you'll have it saved, and then as your picture. And when you want to add it to your Google Classroom, the best way to do that is once you have your picture, and then what I did is new slide, and then I inserted it, and I made it smaller because when you do your image, and that's what I had to play around with for a while, so I wanted to go ahead and put this on here. I made mine about that size, and I put it over to the right a little bit because on Google Classroom, over here is where you have your information about your class. So change it that way, and then you can add it to your Google Classroom, kind of like that. Hope this helps.